What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today, and in today's video we're going to talk about AMD and what a solid trade it was and how you guys can again replicate the exact same thing. First and foremost, we're going to start with the daily chart. Last big support on AMD, which I've talked about multiple times, with the 74 level. Once that 74 level broke, we have no more support until 59. Okay, and I'm gonna have to show this to you guys on a bigger scale. Let me show you exactly what I mean and why that level is so important. So remember that 74, 71 level was the last line of defense here on AMD. Why? Because we have now entered this massive pocket, which I spoke about on multiple occasions, with support only at $59. Okay, so we knew that we are in a delicate area and we are at an area that we've lost major support. So in the last few days, all we've done is really watch this thing, wait for downside activity to take place. Okay, so we lost that level, we took advantage of the big sell-off that day, and now we've consolidated. Take a look at what happened the last few days. This is a bear flag on the daily. We sold off, consolidated, nice support at 66, nice support at 69, but as soon as nice support at 66 and nice resistance at 69, but if that 66 level breaks, we hammering those puts because there's no support on the daily, and the stock is, unfortunately, as much as I don't like to say it, is going to come down to 59 before it sees any good solid bounce on this. Okay, so let's dive into the 2-minute time frame. All right, so I actually wasn't really paying too much attention to AMD this morning. However, when I saw this big sell-off, I had my level at 66 and I knew AMD was at a key level at 66. So once that happened, I immediately noticed that the daily was going to break. I hopped onto the flow and take a look at what's happening here, guys, on the flow. Ever since, that 936 is when this penetrated 938, look at this bearish flow just getting smacked on this thing. Just constant bearish flow coming in. Overall, we're sitting at around 61.2% bearish flow premium today. And as soon as that broke, I did not even hesitate. I got involved on puts right here. Although it was smaller size because we've had a drastic sell-off out of the open already. However, I did get involved on this with smaller size. Wanted a little bit of a back test to 66 so I can load more. But this thing just sold off nice and aggressively, and it paid very well. Okay. Again, this simply came from understanding the daily level, knowing the daily has room to fall, putting in an area of consolidation, aka bear flag. Bear flag breaks to the downside. Flow is telling us there's puts being smashed on this thing, short dated puts, medium dated puts, and they're all just getting hammered here. So everything is lining up, support's broken, volume's coming in. Take a look at what happens when I talk about volume and key areas. Look at that spike in volume as soon as we broke under that key level, right? The volume didn't come in the first 3 minutes, first 10 minutes, or 6 minutes. It came right at 938 when we broke this big support level. So that's your validation. Flow is your other validation. Daily flag break is your other validation. Bang, bang, bang. All check marks hit. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.